In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp widgets, which in the latest 4.0 version are actually called cards. Whether you're brand new to dashboards in ClickUp or you've used them before and just haven't explored cards yet, this walkthrough will help you understand what they are, how to add them, and how to start customizing your workspace to get the information you care about most. First, let's talk quickly about what cards are. In earlier versions of ClickUp, these were often referred to as widgets. They're essentially individual blocks of information or functionality that you can place on a dashboard. For example, a card might show tasks due this week, a chart of your team's workload, a time tracking summary, or even something like an embedded document. By combining different cards, you turn your dashboard into a control center tailored to how you work. To begin, you'll want to open a dashboard in your ClickUp workspace. From your main navigation, head over to the section where your dashboards are stored. Choose an existing dashboard that you want to enhance, or create a new one if you'd rather start from scratch. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see the current layout of any cards that are already there, or an empty canvas if it's a brand new dashboard. Now you're ready to add a card. Look for the option labeled Add Card. This is usually shown as a button with a plus sign, often near the top of the dashboard, or in a spot that clearly indicates adding new content. Go ahead and click Add Card. This is your main entry point for bringing new widgets or cards onto the dashboard. After you click to add a card, ClickUp will open up a menu or window that lets you browse through different card categories. This is where the power of cards really starts to show. Instead of dumping everything into one long list, ClickUp organizes cards into groups based on what they do or what type of data they display. You might see categories for tasks, sprints, time tracking, reporting, or other specialized views depending on your plan and setup. Take a moment to browse these categories carefully. Don't rush this part because it helps you understand what's possible. As you look through each category, you'll see different card types inside it. For instance, in a tasks category, you might see cards for task lists, task tables, or task summaries. In a reporting category, you might find charts like bar graphs or pie charts that visualize your progress or workload. You don't need to memorize all of them right away, but notice which ones seem most relevant to how you and your team work. Once you've found a card that looks useful, select it from the list. ClickUp will typically prompt you with some options to configure it. This might include choosing which space, folder, or list the card should pull data from, setting filters like assignees or due dates, or adjusting how information is grouped and sorted. Take the time to set these options so the card reflects exactly what you want to see. The more specific you are here, the more valuable that card will be on your dashboard. After you've configured it, confirm or save your choices, and ClickUp will add the card directly to your dashboard. From there, you can usually drag it around to position it where it makes the most sense and resize it so it fits nicely alongside your other cards. As you repeat this process and add more cards from different categories, your dashboard becomes a powerful, customized view of your work. That's all there is to it. Open a dashboard, click to add a card, browse the categories, choose what you need, and add it. With just those few actions, you can turn a blank dashboard into a focused workspace that keeps your most important information front and center.